Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python skills. To begin, focus on the core principles of Python programming. Understand variables, data types, and basic control flow. Consistent practice is key. Try to code daily, even if it's just for a short period. Leverage the many free online tutorials and documentation available to guide your initial steps and reinforce new concepts. Once you grasp the basics, dive into practical application. Start building small projects that interest you, like a simple calculator or a text-based game. This hands-on approach helps solidify your knowledge and reveals areas for improvement. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain collaborative experience and learn from others' code. Debugging your own code is also crucial for developing strong problem-solving abilities. As your confidence grows, begin exploring more advanced Python topics. Delve into object-oriented programming, decorators, and generators to write more efficient and organized code. Consider specializing in a particular field, such as data science with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, or web development using frameworks like Django or Flask. Mastering these specialized tools will significantly enhance your marketability and skill set. Learning Python is an ongoing process, so commit to continuous improvement. Keep up with the latest Python versions, new libraries, and community best practices. Engage with other developers through forums, meetups, or online communities to share insights and discover new approaches. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can help you rethink your financial journey, along with other great deals. Consistent effort will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.